All right, guys, we got this Jaguar XJ. Customer complaint is making like squeaking noise while driving. You hear it, guys? What could it be? I think this vehicle has some. I think this car has an electronic rack and pinion. So it means he has his own electronic power steering motor. So I've seen on some vehicles like Hyundai, Kia, they has those electronic steering wheel power steering, and I've seen those bushing on that housing of the motor. They go bad and they also squeak. Not like this squeak, but it's different. It shake. But this is different. This is Jaguar, so this is different design of power steering. So just want to make sure, what could it be? This is my first time dealing with this thing. So, but see, that's the noise right there. After you hear the bump, I guess. See that? After you hit the bump, you could hear it. See that? Only when you're driving, hitting bump. Alright, we find the problem, guys. The problem's right there. Noise is right there, you see it? Yep, that's the one right there. Alright, man, this is the strut now. This is the old one right here. This is totally melted. How in the world did we get this? Especially the cushion. Alright, man, we got this right here. Yep, the old one. Yeah, man.